I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm your laptop display type and resolution, because the dynamic island relies on precise pixel placement. Once done, install the Overlay Helper, a window manager script engine, and the Pixel Animation tool. These three components create the illusion. You'll also prepare the PNG island graphic and a few animation frames, and set Z-order so the island always sits above full-screen apps. Make sure permissions allow overlay windows, and keep a backup of original display settings before proceeding. You'll now implement the overlay. Calculate top center coordinates, use pixels or % to anchor the island. Then bind your animation frames to system events, so notifications, music changes, timers, and incoming calls trigger the correct state. Use the scripting runtime to manage transitions with ease and out timing, to forward clicks to underlying apps when needed, and to auto-hide after a timeout. Once these handlers are active, test each event, tweak durations, and ensure the overlay respects full-screen applications and multi-monitor setups. Finish by optimizing and persisting. Lower frame rate or use sprite sheets to cut CPU/GPU load, compress PNGs, and restrict redraw to the island region. Register the startup script so your configuration loads on boot, and save coordinates, sizes, and event bindings to a config file. If things go wrong, check overlay permissions, reapply Z-order if other apps steal focus, and verify input mapping for touch versus mouse. If the island disappears on sleep, reinitialize the overlay on resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.